The National Weather Service in Birmingham
Whoa.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Blount County in central Alabama, northwestern Natal County in northeastern Alabama, northeastern Jefferson County in central Alabama, northwestern St. Clair County in central Alabama, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from McClarty to Fairview to near Kimberly, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Trussville, Gardendale, Oneonta, Springville, Loudsville, Cleveland, Dallas, Center Point, Clay, Kimpson, Margaret, Argo, Warrior, Kimberly, Asheville, Morris, Sardis City, Locust Fork, Steele, and Altoona. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Blount, Alabama.
Alright then.